In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently. Before we get started, a quick note. Automatic updates are important for security. But there are times when you need full control. Maybe you are on a limited data plan. You run critical software, or you simply want to choose when updates install. I will show you two reliable methods built into Windows 10 without adding anything extra. Follow along carefully and you'll keep updates from interrupting your work. First, let's disable the Windows Update service. This blocks the background process that checks for and installs updates. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box, type services.msc. And press Enter. A list of services will appear. Scroll until you find Windows Update. Right-click it and choose Properties. In the General tab, open the Startup Type menu and change it to Disabled. If you see that the service status is running, click the Stop button right below it so it halts immediately. Now switch to the Recovery tab at the top. Next to First Failure, open the drop-down and choose Take No Action. This prevents Windows from automatically restarting the service if it encounters a hiccup. Click Apply, then OK to lock in the changes. This method acts as a strict blockade, though occasionally a deep system cleanup or major maintenance can flip it back on. If you notice updates resuming later, return here and confirm the service is still disabled. If you are using Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education, you can also enforce this through Local Group Policy. Press the Windows key and R again. Type gpedit.msc and click OK. In the left panel, expand Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and select Windows Update. On the right, locate and double-click the policy named Configure Automatic Updates. In the window that opens, select the Disabled option at the top. This tells Windows not to automatically download or install updates in the background. Click Apply, then OK, and close the editor. With those changes in place, Windows won't take it upon itself to install updates behind the scenes. You can still check for updates on your own schedule when you are ready. But day-to-day operations should stay uninterrupted. Remember, staying in control means you decide when to update, not the other way around. Take a moment to verify each setting is saved, and you are all set. Thanks for watching.